We're going to do a brief video on SP 500 technical analysis, and we've got a daily chart here for you real quick with a 5-day moving average in green, a 20-day moving average in red, and a 200-day moving average in blue. You can't see it on here, but the SP 500 sold off about 50 points today, closed down about 49.5 points from yesterday's close. But it's much more interesting than that. It didn't put in a new high today, but it definitely put in a low much lower than yesterday's low. Closed at 37.57, 3,757, and the high was 38.70. So it's right about down here somewhere where my cross pointer is, and that's an interesting sell-off, not an unexpected sell-off. The market was starting to get a little hot, a little overbought, and so it sold off. But what's really interesting is the last hour of trading, it sold off 60 points. So that's not good and not uniform and not really the way you would expect it to sell off. However, this market's almost corrected now. Once it gets down to about 37.25, this market's going to be corrected. So we'll see what happens tomorrow or the next day. But I think, I don't know if it's going to happen tomorrow, but by Monday, this market probably should sell off to about 37.25. And then it'll be fully corrected. At that point, we're going to see if it rallies. If it doesn't rally, we're probably going to get below this 20-day moving average, and then we have a chance that this whole thing is going to turn around and go the other way and head back down again. I'm not predicting that right this second, but it's got to stop around 37.25 or so, catch support on the 20-day moving average and move back up. Now that would probably take until the middle or end of next week if it does it correctly. So we'll have to see what happens tomorrow. But 37.25 I think is a reasonable place to look at to find support in the S&P 500. Again, it closed today at 37.57. Let's go down and take a look real quick at what RBAM research says about it. We have two places we want to show you this. The first is our 30-day trend following system, and you can see for tomorrow the 28th, these are out early. For tomorrow, Friday, the 20th of October, it shows flat again, which is very interesting because that's exactly what's going on with this market. So it's hitting that correctly. No entry prices for flat. And let's go down and take a look at the algorithmically generated entry prices that are non-trend following. We've got several things right here: 1, 2, 5, 10, and 20-day hold periods. Looking at a buy at 37.63 tomorrow. So this is a little more aggressive and optimistic than my prediction, but 37.63 for the 1 day, and of course these are all for entertainment purposes only. 37.77 for the 2 day, 38.05 for the 5 day, and then it drops down again to 37.77 for the 10 and the 20 day. These are trading days. Obviously, you get in Friday, out Monday, worst case at a loss, or take your profit sooner if you can get them, and same thing across the board. So that's what we've got for you tomorrow, the 20th of October. Buys across the board starting at 37.63 for the 1 day and so forth on up. You can get access to these 24 hours a day, 7 days a week, and updated by 7 a.m. Monday through Friday at rbamresearch.com. Link in the description below. Access is free, no credit card required. We have 190 plus stocks, the major forex pairs, BTC, crypto, and the most liquid futures contracts, including the S&P 500. Keep in mind that they're all algo-generated entry prices. The stocks are mostly longs, and the rest are longs or shorts every day before 7 a.m. You can get them the night before, after 6 p.m. for everything but crypto, and crypto gets updated after 8 p.m. the night before. So you come by early, you get them the night before. Please keep in mind, everything you've seen and heard on here, including our entry prices and my commentaries, for entertainment purposes only. You should do your own analysis. Can't use ours for anything but entertainment. You definitely trade at your own risk. And if you like this video, please click the like button. If you want to subscribe, please do that as well. And if you have a great comment, we'd love to hear it in the comment section below.